Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you all about this plant here, Persicaria perfoliata. Mile-a-minute weed, devil's tail, whatever you want to call it. Asiatic Tearthumb is another common name for it. It's a pretty distinctive plant, and it's an invasive here in the United States, in the eastern United States, and I think there are some small populations out west as well in Oregon. So it's a very distinct plant. It's very easy to identify. I just wanted to show you and go through some examples on iNaturalist here and just kind of talk about the plant. So the most distinct feature of this plant, I think, and what kind of caught my eye when I first saw this plant, when I came across it on a hike, is that it has very triangular leaves. Like the leaves are very, like a perfect triangle pretty much. It's very interesting. You rarely see plants with leaves like this, but they're light green, triangle shaped, and it's a kind of interesting plant in that it grows kind of like a vine. It just kind of covers things. It grows on top of other plants. It covers them, and they also, as you can see here, the stem is barbed, so it has like some kind of little spikes. So if you're not careful, you might get pricked by one of these little spikes or barbs on the stem. So it's a pretty interesting plant in that it, like I said, it just kind of covers things. It grows on top of stuff, kind of like other vines do. But it's an interesting plant. It looks kind of cool. The berries or the fruit are cool. As you can see, they're blue as when they mature. They're actually edible, but there's not much to them. Most of the fruit is like the seed on the inside, but they are edible. I've tried them before, and you know, they're squirrels like them, deer like them, and things like that, and you can eat the blue ones. But yeah, I just think this is an interesting plant. Again, it's invasive to the United States. It's originally from Asia, Japan, and I think China, and it kind of grows in wetland settings or along riparian like edges of streams and things like that. But here in the United States, it does that as well. It grows near bodies of water because it's pretty tolerant of floods, but it also can grow out in the open. And a lot of hikes that I go on in eastern Pennsylvania, I will come across this plant very often, and like I said, it's very invasive, so it kind of just spreads everywhere. But yeah, so I'm just going to go through a couple examples, and like I said, this is a very, very easy plant to identify, and it's not dangerous or anything other than the barbs on the stem. But yeah, so usually kind of what I look for when identifying this plant is how it's growing. So if it's growing over top of things like it is in this picture, that's a giveaway, as well as the triangular leaves. That's the biggest giveaway to me. And then they actually fruit for a while. It's easy to catch these fruits, and this is a nice picture of the fruit. It has this like full 360 kind of umbrella leaf thingy where the fruit comes out of. I'm not sure the correct term for it, but yeah, so it's pretty interesting. It has a reddish kind of stem color to it. I don't quite know the best way to get rid of it. I haven't personally had to do that. We'll go through a couple more pictures here. We can see the triangle leaf. These are the red fruit. They're pretty small, and like I said, they are edible, so you can eat them or try them out if you want to. Like I said, there's not much to them. They don't taste like anything really. But if you're hungry on a hike and you see some, you can grab a handful and just eat them. But that's pretty much it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something, a new plant, and thanks for watching.